Mabuhay! We're about to leave our house to go to a place. We're going to have our vacation, and that's Calatagan. Ayan. So from our house, it takes us at least 2 hours, I guess. So para ka lang Makati to Pasay. Joke. Given sa traffic. But yeah, we're very excited to go to the place. I found it online and I was hoping that it was good. So thank you, Sir June, for driving us. Nag-rent lang kami ng sasakyan para magkasya kami kasi we're going with friends and her family. And yeah, nandito na kami, papasok sa Sea Breeze, and this is our room. Let's have a short room tour. And Zaka opens the door for us. So this is a extra bed for two. Okay, so there's an aircon here. This is our bed namin ay. And yan yung mga kalat. Excuse the kalat. At may electric fan here. We have, actually, bound kami ng water. And of course, since it's a birthday celebration, we bought a cake. My husband bought me a cake. And of course, there's a ref na walang laman. So mamaya natin lalagyan ng laman yan. And we have here toiletries. We have tissues, conditioner, lotion, and there's 2 towels here that we can use. At ito yung cabinet nila. So, meron silang free coffee dyan. No? Pwede kang mag-init ng tubig. And kung kailangan pa ng pillow. And at the back, so I have to know what it is. And surprise, it's a balcony. So it's overlooking the Palayan and the Dagat. So I was excited really to go to the Dagat later kasi at that time mainit pa. So we arrived kasi around 2 check-in time. So ayan, on the side, there's a CR. Okay, yung kanilang comfort room, that's mama. Yung comfort room simple lang. There's toilet in the shower. And of course, there's a sink. Small sink. So that's a room. So this is a standard room. 5,000 per night. So, skizar kalat. There's a TV here that we use for Zaka because he loves to watch. That's all.